If you want to create an app without writing traditional code, AI app builders are becoming really powerful and popular. Today, I have tools like Base44, Replit, and Lovable, all using artificial intelligence to help you turn ideas into apps. But these tools are very different in how they work and who they are best for. In this video, I will explain each one in a simple way so you can decide which is best for you as a beginner or creator. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find the right tools to build and grow your projects without stress. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use links in the description to check the special offers or free plans for these AI app builders. By using the description links, any discounts or bonuses they will be applied automatically, so you get the best value without any extra step. Now let's start with Base44 first. Base44 is an AI app builder that generates full web or mobile app just from your words. You don't need coding skills. You describe your app in simple language and Base44 builds the free front-end, back-end, database authentication and deployment for you. It even sets up the things like login screens and APIs automatically, so you don't spend time connecting service yourself. Base44 is very fast at generating working app. In many cases, users report that it can produce a complete prototype in just few minutes with clean design and backend logic ready to go. Its simple setup and one-click deployment makes it great for entrepreneurs, creators, and beginners who want to validate ideas without learning how to code. Next, there is Replit. Replit started as a cloud development environment where you could write code in your browser. But now it also uses AI to help you build apps. Replit gives you a real coding workspace with tools like syntax highlighting, debugging, and version control, but also an AI assistant, often called the Replit agent, that can write, suggest, and fix the code for you. Replit is more like professional playground for developers. Instead of hiding code, it lets you see and edit the actual code that runs your app. This makes it very useful if you want to learn programming while building your project, or if you need more control over the details of your logic, database structure, and hosting actions. It also supports many programming languages and real-time collaboration, which is helpful when you are working with a team or learning with others. Now let's talk about the Lovable. Lovable is another AI app builder focused on rapid prototyping and design. It uses a conversational interface. Often you describe your idea in chat and then it quickly generates a working app with clean user interfaces and useful patterns already in place. One strength of Lovable is visual editor that lets you tweak layout, colors, and design similar to a design program but tied to your app working code. Lovable has grown quickly with strong investment backing and lots of activity from beginners and non-technical founders who want beautiful UI and fast results without thinking about backend details at first. It is very helpful if your priority is how your app looks and feels more than writing or debugging deep logic yourself. So, how do these three compare for beginners? Base44 is often seen as the most beginner-friendly option because it hides almost all technical complexity. You describe what you want and Base44 builds a complete app with database, logic, and hosting automatically. This makes it ideal if you want to launch a minimum viable product MVP and you want it quickly. Replit is better if you want learn code or plan to build complex or long-term project that might need custom logic, advanced integration or professional developer tool. Its AI support makes it coding easier, but some understanding of programming helps you to make the most of it. Lovable sit the middle of them. It's great for visual design, UI polish, and MVPs that need look professional right away. Its visual editor and clean UI templates help you to move fast without deep technical experience. Though it's very complex, backend rules may still need some additional work. In simple term, Base44 is often best for the first time user or builders who want full apps from natural language. Replit is better for learner and developers who want control and flexibility, and Lovable is great for the person who want quick prototypes with a strong design focus. The best choice depends on your goals, your skill level, and the type of app you want to build. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. That's all for today's video. I hope this comparison helped you understand the difference between Base44, Replit, and Lovable, so you can choose the best AI app builder for your needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more tutorials and tool comparisons. And don't forget to use links in the description with any special offer or the free trial. And the offer, they will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools to help you build and grow online.